For millennia, we've accepted aging as an inescapable truth, a universal law of nature. Like grains of sand slipping through an hourglass, our time feels finite, predetermined. We fight diseases fiercely, but aging itself? That's just life. Or is it? What if this ingrained belief is nothing more than a profound misconception, ready to be shattered? Imagine for a moment that we could not just slow, but actively reverse that biological clock. What if the very processes that lead to decay, from cellular damage to genetic errors, could be identified, interrupted, and even repaired? This isn't just science fiction anymore, it's the frontier of longevity science. It's the radical idea that aging is not a destiny, but a problem we can solve. The stakes have never been higher. Our global population is aging rapidly, placing unprecedented strain on healthcare systems. Traditional medicine, while brilliant at treating acute illnesses, often falls short when confronting the chronic, multifaceted decline of aging itself. The goal isn't just to add years to life, but life to years, to extend our health span, the period we live free from debilitating disease. This is where biohacking steps in, the audacious practice of using science, data, and self-experimentation to optimize our biology. But even the most dedicated biohacker faces an overwhelming complexity. The human body is a universe of interconnected systems. To truly navigate and optimize it, we need a guide far beyond human capacity. We need artificial intelligence. One of AI's most profound impacts is in drug discovery. Traditionally, finding new medicines is a slow, expensive process. But AI can screen hundreds of thousands of molecules in minutes, identifying compounds with senolytic activity, drugs that selectively destroy zombie cells that drive aging and disease. Companies are already using AI to find and repurpose drugs, accelerating the search for therapies that could delay DNA decay and enhance cell repair. Beyond new drugs, AI is unlocking the power of personalized medicine. No two bodies age the same way. By analyzing your unique genomic profile, lifestyle data, and biomarkers, AI can craft hyper-personalized prevention and treatment plans. Imagine an AI-powered coach that predicts your risk for chronic disease years in advance, or recommends the perfect nutrition plan based on your individual metabolism. At the heart of AI's power is its ability to process unfathomable amounts of data, from genomics and epigenetics to proteomics and metabolomics. These systems can identify subtle patterns that human researchers would miss, leading to breakthroughs like deep aging clocks. These AI models can assess your biological age with remarkable accuracy, providing a true measure of your health status and longevity potential. And what about rewriting our very genetic code? While still in its early stages, AI is poised to revolutionize gene editing technologies like CRISPR. By providing real-time, dynamic pictures of how genes express themselves and identifying optimal targets, AI enhances the precision of these tools. This allows researchers to explore ways to repair DNA decay and optimize cellular repair mechanisms at an unprecedented level of detail, potentially addressing the root causes of aging. The promise is astounding, a future where living to 150 isn't science fiction, but a tangible goal. With AI's accelerating insights, we could see people thriving well into their second century, maintaining mental clarity, physical vitality, and a high quality of life. This isn't just about extending lifespan, it's about a profound expansion of our health span, redefining what it means to be old. But as with any transformative technology, profound questions arise. Who will have access to these life-extending advancements? Will AI-driven longevity exacerbate existing health inequalities, creating a divide between those who can afford extended life and those who cannot? Data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the very societal implications of radically longer lives demand careful, ethical consideration. AI won't make us limitless like in the movies, but it will make us sharper, healthier, and more resilient. The ultimate goal isn't just to extend the clock, but to enhance human potential itself. By combining human ingenuity with the unparalleled power of AI, we are not merely extending life, we are beginning to redefine what it means to be human, and the vast, unknown possibilities that lie ahead. The future of longevity is being written, one algorithm at a time.